Welcome to the ultimate home on wheels. Today, we're taking a tour of the stunning, brand new 2026 Wildwood Heritage Glen 380WDR. Right away, you're greeted by this massive, sunlit living area. Look at these gorgeous panoramic windows, perfect for taking in those campsite views, and this incredibly comfortable premium sofa. When it's time to kick back and relax, this entertainment hub has you covered. You've got a massive smart TV perfectly positioned for movie night, paired with a beautiful, modern electric fireplace that brings both warmth and a cozy ambiance to your evenings. Moving into the kitchen, the Heritage Glen completely redefines RV luxury. Notice the beautiful, light wood cabinetry, extending all the way to the ceiling, paired with elegant gold hardware. You get residential-sized appliances, a massive island, and tons of counter space to prep your favorite meals. Head into the private master suite, where you'll find a king-sized bed, a full walk-in wardrobe and washer-dryer prep, and check out this residential-style bathroom, complete with a massive walk-in shower and high-end finishes that make you forget you're even in an RV, ready to make camping affordable and luxurious. Give us a call at Recreation USA at 8432151800 or stop by to see the 2026 Heritage Glen in person today.